As the number of infections and mortalities from the SARS coronavirus pandemic continues to rise, the development of an effective therapy against COVID-19 becomes ever more urgent. Trials with various treatment strategies, including repurposed drugs, convalescent plasma therapy, have either failed or just provided modest benefits. And at this time, the availability of an effective vaccine also seems quite distant. However, few reports showing a positive correlation between BCG vaccination and reduced COVID-19 mortality have ushered in some hope. My name is Naresh Sachdeva, and I am going to describe about our recent publication, Can BCG Vaccine Protect Against COVID-19 via Trained Immunity and Tolerogenesis? Now, BCG has been suggested to confer a broad level of non-specific protection against several pathogens, particularly the respiratory viral infections, mainly by eliciting trained immunity. Secondly, BCG has also been known to confer protection in autoimmune diseases like type 1 diabetes by inducing tolerogenicity. A severe form of COVID-19 is an acute inflammatory disease that requires a therapy capable of inducing both these arms of the immune system. Number 1. The early priming of antiviral innate immune responses to eliminate the virus right at the onset of the disease. And secondly, immunomodulation or regulatory responses to control the hyperactivity of the innate immune cells. So in this manuscript, we hypothesize that BCG can offer a reliable and spatiotemporal protection from COVID-19 by inducing both trained immunity and tolerogenicity.
BCG can offer a beneficial multi-pronged strategy in the battle against COVID-19. At first, via trained immunity, BCG can activate heterologous responses against COVID-19 through multiple cellular pathways. These include type 1 interferon signaling, leading to interferon alpha release, Th1 responses, leading to interferon gamma, and activation of viral specific cytotoxic CD8 T cells, complement cascade, and release of neutralizing antibodies. And timely induction of these responses can help in early elimination of the viremia. On the other hand, BCG can induce regulatory responses to douse hyperinflammation and promote tissue repair. BCG could interact at various stages during the pathogenesis of COVID-19. First, in mild to moderate COVID-19 cases, BCG could induce trained immunity in the early phase of the disease to boost the primary antiviral defense. Concomitantly, the onset of tolerogenic mechanisms will dampen the excess inflammation and establish homeostasis. In severe COVID-19 cases also, BCG could play a role by regulating hyperinflammation, particularly after the establishment of the pulmonary infection. Simultaneously, the induction of trained immunity could help remove the virus.
Indeed, randomized clinical trials have been initiated in few countries involving BCG vaccination of healthcare workers and older adults. Finally, we propose further research on BCG-mediated immunoprotection, especially in vulnerable individuals, as a strategy to halt the progress of the SARS coronavirus pandemic.